hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another leg workout routine, and I just want to emphasize that I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing with you guys what works for me and what has helped me gain muscle mass. So starting my workout with my warm-up, and I only use the Stair Master as cardio. I don't run on the treadmill, I don't sprint, any of that. I just found in the past that when I do sprint, I slim down very easily and lose a lot of the muscle mass that I worked so hard to get. The Stair Master is indeed a great method to burn any excess fat while working and warming up your leg muscles. So I always start off by doing single steps on the Stair Master and then alternating sides. And then I go into skipping steps, which I'm doing here, and then skipping steps on each side, which really helps with strengthening and growing your hip muscles and is great if you're looking to get that hourglass slim thick look.
She sweet like a mango, she play the thing like a banjo. Them other girl them don't know how she clap.
Here I'm doing leg raises or stair kicks, and I just do these for 1 minute, and then I alternate doing side leg raises on my left and my right side. And between each of these workouts, I would highly recommend taking 1 minute breaks where you're just doing single steps. The last workout I'm doing on the Stair Master are just duck walks, and these really help target and activate your upper glutes. The first machine I'm using as part of my main workout is the hip abduction machine, and I'm just using 220 pounds and 3 sets of 10 reps. Here I'm doing a single leg hamstring kickbacks, and again I'm just doing 3 sets of 10 reps on each leg. Lastly, I headed over to the leg press machine, and I started off with the standard shoulder width foot apart placement for overall leg development, and then I finished with the narrow stance, which focuses on the abductors and the outer quads. Lastly, I did the one-legged side leg press because I'm trying to focus on my hip muscles, and I did 10 reps and 3 sets on each side. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. Thanks.
Shut it down.